Hello, it's Tasha with WTI. These smart plugs from Treatlife have been super convenient. It's a small little white box. It has an on and off button that you can touch manually, but very rarely do I have to use it. You simply plug it in and then plug in the appliance or the device that you want to use to be able to control over Wi-Fi. I have just loved this for me and my family because this feature really is handy when we're away from home and we've realized we forgot to turn on or off an appliance. It is super easy for me to set a timer for other appliances like these lamps that are behind my bed where I don't want to have to reach behind my bed to turn on the lamp. I can set a timer for the exact hour when I want them turned on and turned off. The other thing I really like is that if I want to turn on an appliance, I can do it from my smartphone. So that is really handy that the app is super easy and user friendly. It was not difficult to configure and get everything set up. So that's another thing I really loved about these smart plugs. So that's my point of view.